Museums aren't just dispatches of artifacts. They are portals to the past, windows to the present, and gateways to the future. Namaste, I'm Srikruti, a student in grade 6 of the Shri Universal School. My topic is what I'm exactly started off on. I'm going to speak about museums. Museums, aren't they like the most boringest places to visit? Of course, we are excited to watch a movie but not visit a museum. But for those who have a keen eye in history, this just might be the perfect place for you. This leads me over a question. What can be done to make an uninteresting, dull museum visit turn into a fun interactive zone as they are full of interesting exhibits? For this answer, I have to share something about myself. I have recently taken a project called How to Make Museums More Engaging from a platform called Crew. Crew is an extraordinary platform that connects teens, professors, and top minds to students in middle and high schools. It started off with basic information, which I've later turned into my TED Talk. My museum is based on ecology and environment, as it is what inspires me the most. There's always a question running around in my head whenever I'm doing mathematics. Why is the math book so sad? As it is full of problems, just like Mother Earth. My museum, the Ecosphere Adventure, is full of interesting exhibits, zones, VR pods, and plenty of artifacts. With these, I can turn a dull museum into a fun learning zone. But this leads me to ponder over another question as well. How will this help our community or our Mother Earth? As these museums will catch one's attention, the visitors will be able to freely express their queries, learn and remember the memory of their visit. And this will also lead to more preservation of our culture and heritage. Museums are a great blast from the past. There are around 14,201 museums in India as of June 15, 2024. That's a grand number. But when we come to the top 1 museum in India, it is the National Museum, Delhi. But what makes it top 1? As it is ranging over 200,000 artifacts ranging from the prehistoric to the modern age. But sadly, it is not on the top 20 museums of the world. And why is that so? Because it has no interactive or engaging or update infrastructure to connect with the present audience. Museums aren't just places for displaying artifacts. They are an opportunity to engage and educate visitors. Achieving this requires careful planning and execution, which is no easy feat. And I am ready to take this challenge. Signing off with a positive thought, Srikruti. Namaste.